Good morning Year 3, it's Mrs T here. So today we're going to recap some of the maths that we've done so far. We're going to recap some place values. So let's start by using the base 10. Okay, these are ones. And we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We know that 10 ones is the same value as 1 10. So that goes there. We know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens is the same as 100. So that goes there. So we're going to recap hundreds, tens and ones. Let's go over some recognising and representing numbers up to 1,000. So if I said to you, what does 201 look like? Could you represent that in base 10 for me? Could you draw it pictorially? And I'll show it to you concrete. You can pause while you draw it up. So 201 would look like this. 200 tells me that there are two 100s. There are no 10s, there's a 0, so there's a placeholder in the tens column. And there is 1, 1. 201. Can you have a go at representing 475? What would 475 look like in base 10? Pause while you draw it for me pictorially and I'll show it to you in concrete. Okay, 475 would look like this. 400 tells me that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 100s, 400. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, 470 so far, but I need 475. So I also need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 400s, 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 tens, or a 70, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, 475. Now you try one. What does 682 look like? Can you represent 682 in base 10? Pause while you show it for me. It would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for 600. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And then 1, 2 ones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds, 6 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens, and 2 ones. I have 682. Okay, so we've done some work on representing numbers. Now let's see if we can recognise some numbers. I'm going to make some numbers for you. I want you to see if you can write down the numbers I've made. Watch them as I put down the base 10. What number am I making? Look at how many hundreds I've put down. Look at how many tens I'm putting down. And now count up the ones as I put them down. What number have I made? There are 1, 2, 3 hundreds. So I record the 3 in the hundreds column for 300. There are 2 tens in the tens column. So I put a 2 in the tens column to show there are 2 tens. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones in the ones column. So I put a 6 into the ones column. So I've made 326. Did you get that right? Okay, let's try another one. Let's make it a bit more tricky. Let's get rid of this so it doesn't confuse us. And let's try this one. Okay, Watch the hundreds as I put them down. How many hundreds have we got so far? I'm still going. And a couple more. Okay. Now let's put the tens down. Count the tens as I put them down. There's another one. And then count the ones as I put them down. Okay, do you know what number I've made? Let's have a look. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the hundreds column. So we record at 8 in the hundreds column to show that there are 8 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tens in the tens column. So I put a 5 into the tens column. And there are 1, 2, 3 ones in the ones column. So I put a 3 into the ones column. So my number is 853. Did you work that out? I hope so. Okay, I'm going to leave you with a little bit of a challenge. I'd like you to draw these numbers pictorially for me, unless you have base 10 and you can make them. But I want you to see if you can draw these numbers. And then tomorrow we'll have a little look at them. So I want you to represent these numbers pictorially. What does 825 look like? What does 307 look like? What does 222 look like? What does 475 look like? What does 711 look like? Can you draw them in base 10 to prove you can represent these numbers? And then we'll have a look at them tomorrow. Also, we'll move on to looking at them in place value counters. Good luck, Year 3. See you tomorrow. Bye.